No other campus in the country has a program quite like this. What excites me the most about the Market Garden is the ability to get real-world experience, to learn how to operate heavy machinery, and to play in the dirt. Here at the Student Farm, we have the amazing Market Garden. Founded by students in 1977, this 9-acre plot is dedicated to learning through experience about organic vegetable and fruit production. Students help manage all aspects of the student farm, from planting to harvest to final sale of our fresh produce. This fresh produce is sold at our campus dining halls, at our weekly farm stand, and through our community-supported agriculture or CSA program. The Market Garden also offers opportunities for students to develop their own projects and to specialize in areas such as greenhouse and vineyard management, marketing, farm sustainability, and even community inclusivity. Join our CSA or catch us at the weekly farm stand to see what's in season. Visit the Student Farm website to find out about more opportunities to join our community as an intern, volunteer, or employee.